Ready to take a Workforce Solutions and Continuing Education course at HCC? Browse hundreds of courses and register online in just a few easy steps through Instant Enrollment. Starting on HCC's website, click Find Programs and Courses. From the navigation menu, select Programs and Courses and scroll down to click on Self-Service/Instant Enrollment. Select the Non-Credit Registration box. Scan the QR code in the top right corner or click Access this link to launch Instant Enrollment. Here you can search for courses by entering keywords or a specific course code. You can even search for courses by days of the week, time of day, or location. Let's say you are interested in taking a history course but do not know any other information. Just type history into the box for course code number and keywords and click search. This search will deliver results for courses that fit the criteria. Once you find a course you are interested in, click select, and this will show a full course description including time and location, seats available, any prerequisites needed, and course fees. To register for this course, click Add Section in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are finished adding courses, click Next in the top right corner. Enter your information and check the box at the bottom to confirm your information is correct. Click Submit. Now you can share your educational goals, reasons for taking the course, and how you learned about the course by using the drop-down menus. Click Submit and enter your payment information on the next screen, unless you have chosen a free course like this one. Soon you'll receive an email confirming your registration and payment. Can't wait to see you in class.